Welcome to CRB Thailand, and the first trip I took into Thailand in December of 2022, only 1 month after arriving in the country and settling in Bangkok. I've always enjoyed train travel because it's a good way to see the country, so headed to Chiang Mai on the State Railway of Thailand. For a first-time train traveler in Thailand, this was quite an adventure. At 12 hours, this is a long train trip, but the farthest point on the State Railway of Thailand, SRT, network from Bangkok is Sungai Kolak near the Malaysian border at the southern terminus of the Southern Line, 18 hours and 1,144 kilometers or 711 miles from Bangkok. My ticket cost 641 Thai baht, a little over 20 US dollars, each way, and was on a second-class AC train. Second-class AC is the best seat you can get. First class is overnight sleeper. The trip included 1 meal and drinks, and snacks could be purchased on board. The train left the old Wat Lamphong train station in downtown Bangkok, located at the MRT Wat Lamphong underground subway station. This station opens right into the train terminal, so there is easy access from any of the connecting BTS and MRT public transportation system lines. This station was opened on 25 June 1916 after 6 years of construction that started in 1910 in the reign of King Chulalongkorn, Rama V, and finished in the reign of King Vajiravad, Rama VI, making it 106 years old at the time of this trip. Wat Lamphong Station is still open, but primarily for local commuter trains and some short-distance services, as all long-distance trains shifted to the new Krung Thep Apawat Central Terminal, Bang Su Grand Station, to the north near Chatuchak Park in January 2023, with plans for Wat Lamphong to eventually become a railway museum. It is historically significant and deserves a visit even if you don't take a train. As stated on the map, the section from Bangkok to Phitsanulok is relatively straight and flat. I clocked the maximum speed of the train at 70 miles per hour a few times. Phitsanulok is where you would get off the train if you were going to get a bus onward to the ruins at Sukhothai. I found the section north from Phitsanulok very interesting because of the remote country it passed through. The tracks at times twist and turn as they follow rivers through the mountains, and we pass through many tunnels. You can see the rest of the train as it curves along the track ahead and behind you. Thai people living in this remote area use the train at flag stops to travel and send and receive goods. It reminded me of the Alaska Railroad in that way. Chiang Mai Railway Station, opened on January 1, 1922, originally connected the northern region of Siam, Lanna, to Bangkok as part of Kings Rama V and VI expansion. King Chulalongkorn's Rama V picture is displayed at the station. He is revered as the father of the modern Thai railway system. Its completion helped to unify Thailand and contribute to a feeling of Thai nationalism. During World War II, the station served as a strategic target for Japanese supply lines. Allied forces heavily bombed the station on December 21, 1943, destroying it. After the war, construction began on a new station in 1945, and the new station was completed and opened in 1947, acting as the primary hub ever since. I arrived in Chiang Mai around 8 p.m., well after dark, and I have to say, after almost 12 hours without a bunk, I was ready to get off that train. The 2 subsequent trips I have taken to Chiang Mai have both been by plane, only a little more than an hour in the air. At the station, I found the taxi prices too expensive, so found a tuk-tuk to take me to my hotel. Chiang Mai has both Grab and Bolt, popular transportation apps in Thailand similar to Uber in America, that service the train station, bus stations, and the airport. Chiang Mai is the end of the line for the SRT train. To travel onward to Chiang Mai, you can easily take a bus from here or fly there directly from Bangkok. I did this in a future trip I took to both of these towns. These photos of the Chiang Mai train station were taken on the morning of my return trip to Bangkok 3 days later. There are 4 bed hotels in the Chiang Mai area. The one I stayed at is the second hotel, BED Phrasingh Singh, adults only. It was originally an abandoned dormitory in the old city, literally next to Wat Phra Singh Temple and the Sunday night market. I found bed on booking.com at the rate of $61 a night in 2022. Now in 2026, that same rate would be $68 a night, showing the devaluation of the Thai baht over the last 3 years, at least from a tourist standpoint. These prices are high-end for a 3-star hotel in Thailand. The private room was comfortable, includes Wi-Fi, and the building has an elevator. I've stayed here twice over the years and would return. BED Phrasingh Singh is basically built around one huge communal breakfast table and an open kitchen. Other than breakfast, there is no restaurant here, but there are plenty of restaurants within walking distance. The breakfast is excellent, all you can eat, and included in the room price. I got the idea for a walking tour of the Chiang Mai Old Town from the Lonely Planet guidebook, and it was ideal because the bed hotel was in the old city and just around the corner from Wat Phra Singh. You can modify this tour by adding destinations. It will take most of the day to complete at a leisurely pace. Chiang Mai's old city walls were established in 1296 by King Mingai as a 1.6 by 1.6 kilometer, 1 by 1 mile, square, earthen, and later brick fortification to protect the new Lanna Kingdom capital from Burma. Featuring 5 main gates and a moat, the walls were heavily rebuilt in the late 18th century by Chow Kawila, with major restorations occurring in 1966 and 1986. In spite of these fortifications, the city did fall to the Burmese in 1556, starting an occupation that lasted 200 years. Then, in 1767, Ayutthaya, then capital of Siam or Thailand, also fell to the Burmese. At that time, King Taksin regrouped the Thai army in Chanthaburi and then Bangkok, sending Chow Kawila north to successfully liberate Chiang Mai from the Burmese. This walking tour begins at the BED Phrasingh Hotel, stop number 1 on the map. Stop number 2 is Wat Phra Singh. Located in the old city center, Chiang Mai's most revered temple, Wat Phra Singh, is dominated by the enormous mosaic inlaid vihan seen in this photo. This is the Vihan Luang, also known as a royal vihan, assembly hall, or sanctuary. This temple's main Chedi, rising over a classic Lanna-style octagonal base, was constructed by King Payo in 1345, making it over 680 years old. Stop number 3 is Wat Thung Yu. Wat Thung Yu is over 500 years old. Its name refers to the umbrella on top of the large Chedi, which denotes the rank of prince, the king's son and heir to the throne. The Chiang Mai Meditation and Buddhist Study Community has classes here regularly for students of Buddhism. Their schedule is available online. Stop number 4 is Wat Chai Phra Kiat. Wat Chai Phra Kiat, located near the center of the old walled town of Chiang Mai, is a small temple comprising of a viharn, an ubosot, and a Chedi. Its name translates to Temple of the Renowned Victory. Enshrined in a very ornately decorated niche is the temple's principal Buddha image, a large bronze statue in Lanna style named Chai Phra Kiat. The image in subduing Mara posture was cast in 1566 during the Burmese occupation of Chiang Mai. The inscription on the base of the image was made by the Burmese commander who ordered the image cast. It tells about the history of the Chai Phra Kiat image in Thai, Mon, and Burmese languages. Stop number 5 is Wat Pan Thao. Wat Pan Thao, the most atmospheric wat in the old city, is a monument to the teak trade in northern Thailand. Built of teak, the enormous prayer hall is supported by 28 huge teak pillars and lined with dark teak panels, enshrining a graceful gold Buddha image. Known as the teak boom, from the 1880s to the 1940s, northern Thailand was the center of a massive, lucrative teak industry operated largely by British companies like the Bombay-Burma Trading Corporation and the Borneo Company. This era saw immense wealth generated from logging the forests, with teak becoming Thailand's second most important export product after rice. Today, teak is still a Thai export product, but the nature of the industry has shifted from harvesting natural forests to utilizing planted teak and manufacturing finished products like furniture. A nationwide ban on harvesting natural teak in Thailand has been in place since 1989, meaning current exports primarily come from managed teak plantations. Stop number 6 is Wat Chedi Luang. This sign at the main entrance on Tao Phra Poklao, the street name, indicates you have arrived at Wat Chedi Luang. Free for Thai nationals, there is a 50 baht entrance fee for foreign tourists. Immediately after entering, you will pass the Chiang Mai City Pillar Shrine. Lak Mung means city pillar, and Sao Inthakin is the name of this shrine specifically. The main feature of Wat Chedi Luang is a towering, ruined, Lanna-style Chedi built in 1441, but I neglected to see this during my visit on this trip. I did see it on a later trip and will cover it then. Here is the main Vihan, which contains a standing Buddha statue known as the Phra Chao Atarat, flanked by 2 disciples. Stop number 7 is Anusawari Sam Kasat. Anusawari Sam Kasat, or Three Kings Monument, marks the center point of the old administrative quarter of Chiang Mai. These three bronze statues commemorate the alliance of the leaders of the Phayao Kingdom, Chiang Mai, and Sukhothai in the founding of the city. Stop number 8 is the Lanna Folklife Museum. Closed on the day I visited, the Lanna Folklife Museum is set inside the Thai colonial-style former provincial court, dating from 1935. This imaginative museum recreates Lanna, northwest Thailand, village life in a series of life-size dioramas. This is a good first stop before heading to the many Wats dotted around the old city. Closed Monday and Tuesday, it is open Wednesday through Sunday, 8:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Stop 9 is Wat Chiang Man. Wat Chiang Man is Chiang Mai's oldest temple, established by the city's founder around 1296. In front of the Ubasat ordination hall, a stone slab, engraved in 1581, bears the earliest known reference to the city's founding. The main Wihan also contains the oldest known Buddha image created by the Lanna Kingdom, cast in 1465. My next video will be made from material collected on a van tour taken on the next day of this trip. It will feature the Wichiratan and Siratan waterfalls, the Twin Pagodas, Doi Intanon National Park and the highest point in Thailand, and Hamong and Karen hill tribes.